Hi, I'm going to talk about the new 4D wall tiling tool. So here we've got a front elevation of a bathroom, and you can see there's no tiles on the walls. We have tiles on the objects. These are 4D objects coming directly from the 4D library. So now we're going to apply tiling to the walls. So if we go to floor plan and grab our tool, you can see here it's very simple, only a few settings to change. We have material for the tiling. At the moment I'm using a white checkered texture with a 200 by 200 fill, and I've plugged in 200 by 200 in the size of the fill. And here we've got our reveal set to 70 and our height set to 1 meter. So if I click OK to that and click on the 4 points of my room, you'll see if we go back to the elevation that it's now tiled. So to now change the tiling so it works around our shower, all we do is add nodes, which should be fairly familiar to the experienced users. We click on a central node to add another node, and voila. Now the other thing the tiling can do is add and remove and change the edge condition. So at the moment you can see there's a red line. If I turn on hairline, turn off hairline, you can see there's a red contour line. If I select the tiling and rotate this hotspot, see it goes from reveal to no edge line to hob to having an edge line. So if I turn that to no edge line, you'll see that the red contour line comes off it. You can see the top edge of the tile hatch, but what that means is if you have two areas of tiling that are getting butt up against each other, there will not be a definite line. You'll have a seamless material from one edge to the next. So the next thing is let's have a cut through that window. So let's go to the next elevation, and you can see there we've got tiling through there. So let's just snap this to the window. You can see that more nodes appear each time you add nodes. You can actually do it in 3D, so let's try going and doing this a bit in 3D. So I'll grab the tiling and move the node. There we go. Okay, so I've cut it around the window very quickly. Now it's just a matter of changing the edge type. See, I can just rotate my hotspot. It tells me when I've got the reveal. And there we have it. Now the reveal looks a bit short. I'll open up the part again, change the reveal size to about 100, and there you go, it's fitting neatly in there. Okay, so let's go back to that elevation, and it's done. So that gets repeated for each elevation. Now the other bonus is if we open up the tile part, you can see here there is an area. I'll just move that across. Each tiling part has an area that it calculates. So if we go to our tiled area schedule, you can see here it's giving me the area of all the tiles in the job and a total at the bottom, listing the material that was used as well. So of course your tiling has to be modelled up accurately, but from accurate modelling you're going to get accurate quants. Okay, let's have a look at the way we can change the origin of the tiling. Here in the wall tiling 4D, you can see that the set out has started from the floor. If we grab that origin or set out point and place it up here with the bench, you can see that has changed the origin of that section of tiling. Now this section of tiling is actually attached to the laundry cupboard, so we've got another hotspot as part of the laundry cupboard, and we can line that up at the same position, and we have a continuous tile set out. Now it's just a matter of changing that edge, so we have no edge line, and done. We have a perfect join between these two objects.